Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. You love Shani. It's me, Shani. I'm back. I'm not 100%, y'all. Y'all know I was under the weather. I'm not 100%, but I missed y'all so much that I had to come back and bring y'all something. So today, so y'all work with me. I'm still not feeling well. Okay, so today I have some ribs baked in the oven, and then I have a baked potato back here. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna eat. My Boss Lady cup. Got my favorite root beer. Y'all comment down below which one y'all like better, A&W or my favorite Barks. I'm gonna pour this up. Ooh, and I wasted some. Y'all already know. When y'all see this cup, it means it's no cocktail. I haven't been drinking, y'all. Again. Ooh, again, I was sick. Let me get that. Whew. I can't leave it down there. It'll run me crazy the whole video. So I want to give a big shout out to everybody that checked on me, reached out to me, whether it was in my comments, whether it was on my DMs, on my Instagram, which is, I'll just put it right here. I got a lot of DMs. I got phone calls, text messages. Some people call me out in lives. So yeah, that's what I've been going through. I just haven't been feeling well, y'all. But I'm back. Guess who's back? Back again. Y'all love Marshall Mathers. Y'all know that. Or you should know that by now. Marshall Mathers. Alright, y'all. I ain't gonna do too much mixing. I just put a lot of butter and seasoning in here at the bottom. And a lot of green. So this is just a basic baked potato. I couldn't decide if I wanted a baked potato or mashed potato. So I just made mashed potatoes in here and added green onions. That's it. So it's just seasoning, butter, and green onions. That's it. And then right here I got my ribs. A half a rack. I think it's a half. 6 of them. That's a half, right? That's really good. I gotta mix that up some more. It's good. But I did not dig all the potato out. So what have y'all been up to? I appreciate all the, what I want to call it. I don't know what to call it. But all the well wishes, checking on me, all that good stuff. I really appreciate that. I do. Now let me stop mixing because my potato is falling out, as y'all can see. A quick pause for the cars. We give a shout out to Lips, the Legion leader. He picked these nails. Boom. He picked your girl nails this time. So he said rainbow. Lips, what you think? Is this rainbow? Let me see if y'all can see it. Light, and then these is green. So I hope you like these, my love. Shout out to you. I let him pick my nail color. Because I call him my nail idol. I love his nails. If you don't know, Lips going over there. I don't know how you don't know him. Anyway, I call him the nail idol. His nails be bomb. Well, shout out to you, boo. He's another one that reached out to me, encouraged me, pushed me. Now make sure y'all circle is tight. I say it all the time. And I'm going to keep saying it. Whether it's your friends or whether it's in these YouTube streets, make sure your circle is tight. I keep eating this potato. Let me get into these ribs. I don't know why I'm surpassing them. Look, it's smoking hot. Don't that look good? Let me get into these ribs. Look at that. Right on out. Smoking hot. Right on out. Bomb. This is ribs that I season and put them in there, no sauce, nothing. Just naked. Basic, man. Like that. The whole rib right here. Watch how I just put it with the fork. It's hot, y'all. It's hot. I do have some shout outs, so stay tuned for the shout out show. And if you want a shout out on my next video, granted, that is not a challenge or a collab. Every time, then I'll give you a shout out, but you have to watch to the end. I don't know which one that is. I can't see yet. They went upstairs. It could be a whole robber. I can't even see. Look, y'all. Bomb. Bomb. Right there. Again. Forgot my napkins. So right before before I was down, I took the kids to the beach. And when I tell you we had so much fun, we had so much fun. I'm the type of person that likes to go kind of early and beat the crowd, because I don't like crowds. Crowd to me just screams danger. So if I can avoid a crowd, I will. Look, y'all. It's bomb too. So we was at the beach at like, I'll say 9:30. It's so good, y'all. I'm not kidding. The bone's still smoking. I'm talking about I don't know how much I'm gonna eat of this. Child. I am hungry. Kinda late. And I still gotta cook dinner after this. So this is a little light work. I don't think I'll be eating it, but I gotta fix something for them. Smoking hot. These ribs is good. Good. I just pull the bone right out. It's so good. Come on. ULOVECHANI shirt on. ULOVECHANI. Here's the princess. You in?
No. I got itchy.
Okay. I know y'all like, put that fork down. Y'all, why she standing there? She know I hate people watching me record. She don't like people watching her record either. When I get through, y'all, I'm gonna do the shout outs. So I know I haven't been recording or going live, but I know y'all see me in these YouTube streets. Ain't nothing wrong with my fingers, my Twitter fingers. Y'all see me commenting, liking, in y'all lives, because that's how I be getting chewed up. In them lives. Especially a certain live. Maybe they let me have it a little bit. That's alright. Because I'm bad. Now this potato is banging. Still smoking. I put a lot of butter. I put butter on the bottom. Seasoning. Butter again. Y'all healthy people, y'all might not want to try this at home. Okay. Butter first. Seasoning. Butter again. Green onions. Smoking. So good. Yeah, so my next video, I don't know what it's gonna be. Got a challenge to do. Baby, when I tell you I'm scary, this challenge is really gonna make me call my second stomach, which I don't even have yet. That's good. Just can't tell how good it is. It's bomb. Got that one little baby left. After I finish him, I'm gonna finish them at half a rack. Yeah. Pause, rewind it to the beginning. When I said I don't know how much of this I'm gonna eat. I'll wait. just rewind it to that part. I haven't eaten all day. My appetite is not right. But I'm working on it. Hopefully it'll come back soon. Y'all say, hey, it look like it's back. Just starving. I haven't eaten all day. I didn't eat that bone that time. It's good. Somebody count how many times I said this good and put it in the comments. That's good. That's another one for you. No, I'm full though. But I'm gonna finish this. Just for y'all, my angels. Finishing them. Bomb. No. I don't think it's no more potato in here. I didn't kill the child. They been right here, I'm gonna get. But other than that, that's it, y'all. That's it, that's all. That's it. That's all. I don't feel like ain't nothing down there, but see, I show y'all. And y'all see. Empty. DOA. You heard me? DOA. It's that little small ice. I'm not trying to choke. Trying to choke me out? Ghost lady. Okay. Oops, upside your head. I said, oops, upside your head. Because I killed it. I said, that's how I killed it. So, shout out time. I already said thank you to everybody who reached out to me while I was under the weather. I appreciate all the comments, well wishes. A lot of people were saying, hurry up and get better. I appreciate that. This is the shout outs from, I still got a headache. This is the shout outs from the 3 meat salad video. I told y'all to drop some ice cubes. A lot of people was like, oh, I don't have ice cubes, but they typed it. So boom, that's the loophole, y'all. That's the loophole. So if you want a shout out on my next video, again, if it's not a challenge or a collab, I will give you a shout out, but I'll tell you the emoji after I give them their shout outs. I'm going to say them kind of slow, so they won't be on top of each other, like right around here. Oh no, they probably be over here. I forgot I moved it. I haven't recorded in so long. Boom, so it'll be right here. First name, Motormouth Madness. Boom, or right here. One of these two, I don't know. Motormouth Madness. Shout out to y'all. I love that channel. Y'all already know. Excuse me. Arts, Choose, and Challenges. Hey, Art. Then we have, see my voice cracking and everything. M and H Munch Down. Trika Texas T. Wendy Melendez. Hey, Wendy. Miss Smith Eats. And last but definitely not least, because she's one of my, I think she was in my top 10 from when I first started. I think she was. Shanique's Dream. She been with me for a long time, y'all. You heard me? Long time, long time. Shout out to you, boo. Shanique's Dream. So now on this video, if you want to shout out on my next video, I need you to drop the, I never think about it beforehand. Why? Anyway. Excuse me. I be trying to think of some emojis that everybody would have. Because I be thinking the emojis that I'm saying is something that everybody would have. Drop some grapes. Drop some grapes so you can get a shout out on the next video. Just grapes, simple. I hope, yeah, so I think. Anyway, just grapes. I know guys like this girl is not well. Because I'm not. But I had to come back for y'all because I really missed y'all and I know y'all miss me too. And I'm back and I'm back and I'm back and I'm back and I'm back. And I'm out and I'm out and I'm out and I'm out and I'm out. That's it, y'all. You love Shani? For the one time, over and out. See y'all later. Bye-bye. 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 Y'all know I gotta press the button because I still don't know what a remote is after all this time. But I'll see y'all on the next video. I love y'all. Bye-bye.